Should I wait here or just cross? I cross.
Hey, you're not waiting for the lead.
Should I wait for the lead to cross after the parada? Yes or not?
Let's find out.
Okay, as we promised, we are going to tell you if the parada needs a lead to keep going or not. Okay, let's do that.
So we are going to take it from just a parada, straight to the parada.
Yes.
We are going to just position the leg, pivot, we end up in a parada position.
So this is parada. If you notice, ladies, I'm waiting with the right leg extended because I don't like to rush any move, facing him with my right shoulder. And I'm waiting here until he lifts. When he goes up with the lead, I'm going to feet together. Waiting here until he does next lead. He will explain the lead. And then he will open the position. So I'm crossing on top or outside around his foot to extend my right leg and keep walking to the next step. So yes, I'm waiting for the lead to collect and move to the next step.
Yes, so tip for both actually. We are doing the parada, correct? We are landing into the parada. Here we go. Tip number 1 is that she's on this side. Of course, you already know the position of the arms. Now, but from here, what we want to do is to bring our rib cage up. Yes, just to make her fit together. This is halfway. Now we are going to lift a little extra, and I will just rotate almost like a front ocho for her. Look, tuck out. Yes. So without closing my right, I'm exaggerating this. I will just rotate a little bit extra so she can get to the other side of her foot. Now we are going to lower, just for her to present the leg, but make sure you are not pulling yet. We lower to present. Right after you see her leg presenting, then you can continue for the next part of a figure if you are doing a different figure, right?
Yeah, so something important also, let's go to the same point.
Yes.
This is our style. I'm extending the legs. Some ladies, they keep their feet together. I don't like to be here with the feet together, bending the knees. That's a position I will not do it ever. So I'm extending one leg. So when he lifts, you have to have the shoulders down, ladies, to feel that. So you have to feel that from your frame. If your left arm is weak or shoulder is already up here, you don't feel the lead. So connect with him, connect with the shoulder down. When he lifts, you feel that and take the time to feet together. Then this is also our style. I don't like to cross on top of his foot. So I make a circle around him. I go first front on my front, then I make the circle around, and then I transfer body weight. The same on the back foot. I go around, and then collect and re-embrace to go to the next position. So this is something we do, kind of our own embellishment to do the parada, how to go around the leader and how to wait for the lead.
Also for us, when the follower jumps and make a shortcut crossing over his foot without the lead, it feels like you are stopping the motion. It's like the leader is preparing something because sometimes the music is slow.
Yeah.
You are preparing a nice, slow walking around, and suddenly, pum pum, the foot crosses to the other side. It throws the leader off, and he has to make up another figure right away, so it's not the same feeling.
Yeah, it gives him more possibilities. Also, we take more possibilities. If we stop the motions, I was here. If I stop here, I'm stopping here. If the leaders, some leaders, not you, some leaders are rushing us. Some leaders, they go, boom, go. So here I'm strong. To wait with my own body weight, with my own body, to go like, no, I can't rush. I can just go. So that will give him a body language response telling him, wait, I need my time to go around and to finish the parada and the next step. So it's kind of a communication, body language, without using words. You're telling him, wait, don't rush me to go to the next one. Also, this position, Leonardo laughs when the ladies are waiting here. Why? You hate when they go
No, yes.
with the knees, right?
Yeah, I felt so many crashes with my knees. We are going to put one case. We are presenting as a leader, we need to present the leg before, so when you rotate, you will encounter our leg, our foot in front of you, and that creates a stop, a parada. But some ladies, I won't say names,
will do it like
yes,
faking like this is a wrong move, right?
this is a wrong move. Don't rush your back leg. Look. Boom.
Ouch!
Yes, hitting the leg. Sometimes I dance and when I go to a parada, I just go like, "Ay, please, 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 please." So
because this is the common thing they do. They do in an embrace. They do like boom. See,
yes,
this is not good. I'm crushing my knee with his.
yes.
So he doesn't like any leader.
Yes.
They don't like that.
Or even worse, during the pivot, even before the pivot, knee front. That is Taekwondo.
Yeah, so to avoid that, ladies, get used on that moment, exactly on that moment, to pivot and extend the leg on the side. Or just maybe not too big, but you keep it behind. It's hard to control, so I use this because it's much nicer and it's nice controlling. And then, yes, from the back, I'm in the back here. From the back, I'm crossing to the front, and then I make the circle around him to go to the next position. But all these points are very important to show the parada with a smoothness, to give possibilities to do the parada slow, very, very, very slow if the music is really romantic and slow. Or you can go faster with the same technique. But it gives more possibilities to the followers, to the leader, and connection, and avoid accidents.
Yes.
And we love that, right?
We don't love accidents.
No. So just try that and let us know what do you think. Let us know what did you learn on the comments below. And then we can also answer if you have any questions or concerns, right?
Yes, we'll try to we'll make sure that in the next video, in the future video, we'll try to cover those questions.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.